I am going to show you the most fantastic, magical thing that the Triumph will do. This is the regular foot that comes on the Triumph. See how big that is? And this is called the curved foot. There is a big difference. One is much longer, and there's a reason for that. I am going to do this right here. You see all these curves? Did you know you could quilt on the Serger? This is amazing. All right, I'm going to stick this on there. These feet are so easy to pop on and off. And right here, I'm going to stitch. And I want you to see what I can do. Look at it take those corners. I can quilt. I love it. Is this a miracle? It is a miracle. Now I want you to see what it looks like underneath. Now this is a chain stitch, a fun, wonderful chain stitch. This is what it's going to look like on this side. But the side that I really like is this heavier stitch on the back. That's what comes out the back.
That's really
So
cool.
all you need is the curved foot and a machine that'll do it for you.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Michelle.